Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're learning a super useful function, average. Have you ever need to find the average score on a test, the typical price of a product, or the usual shipping time on your spreadsheets? That's where average function of Excel comes useful. Average is your secret weapon for finding the middle ground in your data. Let's take a look at a simple example. Here we have a data set of students with test score and status. Now calculate the average score of students. Type equals, average, bracket open. Select the range of data that we want to average, close the bracket and hit enter. It instantly calculates the average score. Simple, right? That's how a teacher can analyze the average score of a student. Average function is not just limited to numerical values, but also works with dates. Let's explore another example. Here's a dataset consisting of stock received dates of laptop throughout the year. Equals average. Select the range and hit enter. Through this average formula, we simply calculate the average stock received date of laptop throughout the year. This helps to make the valuation of stock at year-end. However, in Excel, this feature is built in for your convenience. Simply select your data, and in the bottom right corner of the Excel window, you'll see the average, count, and sum automatically calculated for you. It's a handy tool. Imagine analyzing sales data. You can use average to find the average sales per month or the average customer order value. Don't forget to practice with average on your own data sets. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Until next time, happy excelling.